नमस्कार दोस्तों, डीजी क्वेश्चन बैंक में आपका स्वागत है। आज हम AIBE 14 सेट ए के क्वेश्चन आंसर डिस्कस करेंगे जो कि सितंबर 2019 में हुआ था। इस वीडियो में आपको कुछ क्वेश्चंस रेड कलर में दिखाई देंगे। जो क्वेश्चंस रेड कलर में दिखाई देंगे वो क्वेश्चंस रिवाइज आंसर शीट में डिलीट कर दिए गए हैं, इसलिए हमने डिलीटेड क्वेश्चंस को रेड कलर से मार्क किया है। तो आइए शुरू करते हैं। Question number 1. This is a deleted question. Question number 2. Assertion. A. Collateral transactions to wagering are valid. Reason. Only wagering agreements are declared void under Section 30 of the Indian Contract Act. Codes. The correct answer is option D. Both A and R are true. And R is correct explanation of A. Question number 3. Term holder include. The correct answer is option D. All of the above. Question number 4. Under the Dissolution of Muslim Marriage Act 1939, a Muslim wife can seek dissolution of marriage if the husband fails to perform marital obligation for. The correct answer is option B. 3 years. Question number 5. The concept of curative petition was introduced by the Supreme Court of India in the case of. The correct answer is option A. Rupa Ashok Hura versus Ashok Hura, AIR 2002, SC 1771. Question number 6. It is a deleted question. Question number 7. The case of Muhammad Allabad Khan versus Muhammad Ismail Khan is related to. The correct answer is option D. Acknowledgement of paternity. Question number 8. In which of the following cases the Supreme Court was in 2017 declared pronouncements of talaq 3 times at a time by a Muslim husband and unconstitutional? The correct answer is option A. Shaira Bano versus Union of India. Question number 9. Masne profits of property means. The correct answer is option A. Those profits by which the person in wrongful possession of such property actually received or might have received therefrom together with interest on such profits. Question number 10. It is a deleted question. Question number 11. Public interest litigation is relaxation of which of the following requirements? The correct answer is option B. Locus standi. Question number 12. Which of the following is not a case of public interest litigation? The correct answer is option A. Keshav Nanda Bharti versus State of Kerala, AIR 1973, SC 1461. Question number 13. Which of the following can be done by a senior advocate in accordance with the rules of Bar Council of India? The correct answer is option A. Make concession on behalf of client on instructions from junior advocate. Question number 14. Which one of the following is true about Latin maxim ubi jus ibi remedium? The correct answer is option A. Where there is right, there is remedy. Question number 15. The Latin word injuria sine damnum literally means. The correct answer is option A. Infringement of legal right without damages. Question number 16. The provision relating to claims tribunal is given under dash of Motor Vehicle Act. The correct answer is option A. Section 165 to 175. Question number 17. Rule of law means. The correct answer is option D. All of the above. Question number 18. The purpose of writ of quo warranto is. The correct answer is option C. To oust illegal occupant of a public post. Question number 19. Writ of certiorari can be issued against. The correct answer is option A. Judicial and quasi-judicial bodies. Question number 20. Supreme Court of India held that it is permanent obligation of every member of medical profession, either government or private, to give medical aid to every injured person brought for treatment immediately without waiting for procedural formalities in the case of. The correct answer is option C. Paramanand Katara versus Union of India, AIR 1989, SC 2039. Question number 21. This is a deleted question. Question number 22. One of the following statements is not true. Which one is that? The correct answer is option C. A confession by a person in the custody of a police officer to any person in the presence of magistrate can be proved. Question number 23. The Kashmira Singh versus State of MP is a leading case on. The correct answer is option D. Confession of a co-accused. Question number 24. Which of the following fact is not relevant in civil and criminal cases under section 8 of the Indian Evidence Act? The correct answer is option B. Attempt. Question number 25. BATNA stands for. The correct answer is option B. Best alternative to a negotiated agreement. Question number 26. Section 9 of the Arbitration and Conciliation Act 1996 deals with. The correct answer is option A. Interim measures by the court. Question number 27. For the first time in India, income tax was introduced by Sir James Wilson in the year. The correct answer is option C. 1860. Question number 28 and 29. Both are deleted. Question number 30. Which one of the following sections of CRPC deals with irregularities which vitiate proceeding? The correct answer is option B. Section 461. Question number 31. Which of the following is not an essential element of a decree? The correct answer is Option C, an adjudication from which an appeal lies as an appeal from an order. Question number 32. Which of the following is not a duty of an advocate to court? The correct answer is option A, to not commit breach of section 126 of Evidence Act. Question number 33. Which of the following rules of chapter 2nd of part 4th of the Bar Council rules deal with the duty of an advocate in respect of any monies received by him from client? The correct answer is option A, Rule 25. Question number 34. Under which of the following sections of CRPC provisions relating to police report is given? The correct answer is option A, section 173. Clause 2 first. Question number 35. Which one of the following provisions of CRPC deals with anticipatory bail? The correct answer is option B, section 438. Question number 36. The provision relating to cancellation of bond and bail bond is given under? The correct answer is option A, section 446A. Question number 37. The provisions relating to dowry is given under? The correct answer is option A, section 304B of the IPC. Question number 38. Which of the following section is designed to curb infanticide? The correct answer is option D, section 315 of the IPC. Question number 39. Which order has been specially enacted to protect the interest of minors and unsound mind? The correct answer is option B, order 32. Question number 40. Which order of the CPC lays down general rules governing pleadings in a court? The correct answer is option A, order 6. Question number 41. It is a deleted question. Question number 42. Which of the following is an infringement of a registered trademark? The correct answer is option D, all of the above. Number 43. A person undergoing life imprisonment if attempts to commit murder and hurt is caused thereby, he may be punished with? The correct answer is option D, all of the above. Question number 44. Residuary powers in India may be exercised by? The correct answer is option A, Parliament. Question number 45. The punishments to which offenders are liable under the provisions of IPC are? The correct answer is option D, all of the above. Question number 46. M. Nagten rules form the basis of the law of? The correct answer is option B, insanity. Question number 47. The authentication to be affected by the use of a symmetric crypto system and hash function is known as? The correct answer is option C, digital signature. Question number 48. Punishment for cyber terrorism under section 66F shall be punishable. The correct answer is option C, with imprisonment, which may extend to imprisonment for life. Question number 49. Section 2J of the Industrial Disputes Act 1947 define industry means any. The correct answer is option D, all of the above. Question number 50. Which of the following provisions of the Hindu Marriage Act 1955 incorporates the fault theory of divorce? There are two correct answers in these options. Option A, section 13.1 and option D, section 13.2. Question number 51. Under the Hindu Maintenance and Adoption Act 1956, which of the both following circumstances can be dependent enforce his right to maintenance against a transferee of an estate out of which he has right to receive maintenance? The correct answer is option C, both A and B. Question number 52. Which of the following courts, tribunals cannot entertain a public interest litigation? The correct answer is option C, Central Administrative Tribunal. Question number 53. A. Places man with firearms at the outlets of a building and tells Z that they will fire at Z if Z attempts to leave the building. A is. The correct answer is option C, both A and B. Question number 54. A incites a dog to spring upon Z without Z's consent if A intends to cause injury, fear or annoyance to Z. The correct answer is option C, A uses criminal force to Z. Question number 55. A causes cattle to enter upon the field belonging to Z, intending to cause and knowing that he is likely to cause damage to Z's crop. A has committed. The correct answer is option A, mischief. Question number 56. From which of the following countries the Constitution of India has borrowed the power of judicial review? The correct answer is option C, USA. Question number 57. Enforcement of which of the following articles of the Constitution of India cannot be suspended even during the proclamation of emergency? The correct answer is option B, 20 and 21. Question number 58. Which of the following provisions of the Advocates Act 1961 provides for the power of Bar Council of India to withdraw to itself any proceedings for disciplinary action pending before any state bar council? The correct answer is option C, section 36(2). Question number 59. Which court or authority has the power to punish any person for contempt of the National Company Law Tribunal? The correct answer is option D, National Company Law Tribunal. Question number 60. Which of the following is not a vested interest? The correct answer is option C. A stipulates that title in a property shall pass to C if he marries B. Question number 61. Which of the following is wrong in respect of the law of copyright? The correct answer is option C. There is no copyright in a government work. Question number 62. Under the Indian Evidence Act, the character of a person is not relevant in which of the following cases? The correct answer is option C. Character to prove conduct imputed in civil case. Question number 63. Which one of the following is primary evidence? The correct answer is option A. Document produced for the inspection of the court. Question number 64. The Consumer Protection Act 1986 come into effect on? The correct answer is option B. 15th April 1986. Question number 65. Which one of the following sections of Consumer Protection Act 1986 defines the term consumer? The correct answer is option D. Section 2(1)(d). Question number 66. The principle of law of taxation that no tax shall be levied or collect except by authority of law. It is contained under. The correct answer is option A. Article 265 of the Constitution. Question number 67. Under which section of Income Tax Act income of other person are included in assessee's total income? The correct answer is option D. Section 60 to 65. Question number 68. Under which of the following articles of the Indian Constitution Parliament is empowered to legislate with respect to a matter in the state list in national interest? The correct answer is option A. Article 249. Question number 69. In which of the following cases the court has laid down that right to life does not include right to die? The correct answer is option B. Shrimati Gyan Kaur versus State of Punjab. Question number 70. The question whether a bill is a money bill or not is decided by. The correct answer is option D. The Speaker, Lok Sabha. Question number 71. Decision under 10th schedule is taken by. The correct answer is option D. Presiding officers of houses. Question number 72. In which of the following cases the Supreme Court held that an international commercial arbitration is one which has its juridical or legal seat of arbitration outside India? The correct answer is option A. Bhatia International versus Book Trading SA 2002 4 SCC 105. Question number 73. Which of the following provisions of the Hindu Succession Act 1956 lays down for the escheat? The correct answer is option D. Section 29. Question number 74. Which one is a foreign award? The correct answer is option B. An award passed in a foreign seated arbitration. Question number 75. If a man marries a girl who is within his prohibited relationship and his custom does not permit such marriage, such a man would be punished under. The correct answer is option C. Section 18B of the Hindu Marriage Act 1955. Question number 76. Which section of the Hindu Marriage Act 1955 provides that a child from a void marriage would be legitimate? The correct answer is option D. Section 16. Question number 77. Under which one of the following section of CRPC police officer is under obligation to inform the accused ground of right to bail? The correct answer is option B. Section 50. Question number 78. Under what circumstances court can issue an order for the attachment of property of person absconding? The correct answer is option D. All of the above. Question number 79. Inherent power under section 482 CRPC can be exercised by. The correct answer is option C. The High Court. Question number 80. If it is proved that a man has not been heard of for dash by those who would naturally have heard of him if he were alive, the presumption under section 108 of the Indian Evidence Act is that he is dead. The correct answer is option B. 7 years. Question number 81. A dumb witness given his evidence in writing in the open court, such evidence would be treated as. The correct answer is option A. Oral evidence. Question number 82. This question is deleted. Question number 83. The Land Acquisition Act 1894 came into force on. The correct answer is option C. First day of March 1894. Question number 84. Which of the following sentences can the Court of Session pass? The correct answer is option D. Any sentence authorized by law, but death sentence must be confirmed by the High Court. Question number 85. Which of the following is not a requirement for a foreign judgment to be conclusive? The correct answer is option D. It is by a court in an enemy country. Question number 86. Ensuring the safety, health and welfare of the employees is the primary purpose of the. The correct answer is option C. Factories Act 1948. Question number 87. In which case Supreme Court held that whether teachers are not workmen? The correct answer is option D. Sundaram Bal versus Government of Goa, AIR 1988, Section 1700. Question number 88. Under Section 2CC of the Industrial Dispute Act 1947, closure means. The correct answer is option A. The permanent closing down of a place of employment or part thereof. Question number 89. A reference can be made during the pendency of the case. The correct answer is option A. a subordinate court refers the case to the High Court for the latter's opinion on a question of law. Question number 90. A person can apply for review of judgment when? The correct answer is option D, all of the above. Question number 91. In which of the following cases the remedy of revision is not available? The correct answer is option D, all of the above. Number 92. Effect of not negotiable crossing is mentioned under. The correct answer is option B, section 130. Question number 93. Section 16 of negotiable instrument defines. The correct answer is option C, endorsement in full and endorsement in blank. Question number 94. The liability under section 138 of the Negotiable Instruments Act 1881 is. The correct answer is option A, strict liability. Question number 95. The objectives of Land Acquisition Act 1894 are. The correct answer is option D, an act to amend the law for the acquisition of land for public purpose and for companies. Question number 96. Under which one of the following section of CRPC police officer can arrest an accused without warrant? The correct answer is option B, section 41. Question number 97. Which one of the following courts under Criminal Procedure Code 1973 can try a murder case? The correct answer is option C, Court of Session. Question number 98. It deals with the internal management and affairs of company. The correct answer is option B, Article of Association. Question number 99. Public Liability Insurance Act was enacted in. The correct answer is option A, 1991. Question number 100. Environmental Impact Assessment EIA is mandatory under. The correct answer is option D, Environment Protection Act. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please do like, share, comment and subscribe.